Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures coming to you on Tuesday morning, August 7th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, we have corn trading 3 to 5 lower, soybeans 2 to 3 higher, and wheat also about 3 to 5 lower. Friday, we have a big USDA supply and demand number, and the grain markets are in a consolidation phase right now. We've had big moves higher. Market's been chopping around, corn especially at that $8 level, soybeans around 16. And the market's likely to stay in this consolidation phase at least till Friday's crop report. And bull markets need to be fed. We need a steady diet of bullish news for these markets to keep moving higher. And what we've seen, especially in the corn right now, is that the market's kind of lost momentum. It's too late in the game for weather to be a game changer. It's all about demand now. The prices have gotten to a point where we've seen demand destruction, and we know the supply is going to be disappointing, but we do have supply coming in. The harvest is already underway down south, and over the next 2-3 weeks, things should pick up. So I was talking to you about that old crop, new crop spread, the September versus December. At one point, September prices were about 30 to 35 cents over Dece because there was a concern about the near-term supply. Well, we're at the end of the marketing year. We have supply coming back into the pipeline, so we've seen a little bit of a reversal there. Right now, December is currently trading a few pennies more than Sep. So for the time being at least, there's not a real concern about supply because demand's been so weak and we got supply hitting the pipeline. Soybeans, on the other hand, have had very good demand. That market also has, moved off its highs. It's going a bit sideways right now, a little below $16 at this point. The soybeans still have some time here where things could get better, things could get worse. The plant is setting pods. The question is, over the next couple weeks, if the pods, fill with fruit. So we're going to keep an eye on soybeans. That could be a market that still has more upside potential. Wheat, we have Russian officials meeting tomorrow. They're very concerned with the tightening supply. The demand is causing prices to go higher, so they're concerned with domestic inflation. We could see some action out of Russia and the Ukraine to restrict exports in some way to try and curb that demand a little bit, keep a lid on the price so that their people don't get hurt by higher prices. So that's something to keep an eye on too. Wheat is the most volatile of the three big grain markets. We can see wheat become a leader to the upside. For a while now, if you've been watching my videos, I say all the time that, well, wheat's a follower. Corn's the leader, wheat's a follower. And we can see a shift in that right now because demand is starting to pick up for wheat. And we talked about Friday's USDA. Yesterday we had weekly crop condition update, and it came out pretty much in line. Corn good to excellent, only 23% of the crop. Last week it was 24. So it wasn't a big change there, but that's very low. And in soybeans, they came out at 29% good to excellent. That was the same as the previous week. Again, these are very low numbers. There's no surprises there. The market's probably going to sit around, wait and see how aggressive the USDA gets on Friday with lowering their numbers. That's really all I have time for now. Please feel free to give me a call, 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.